At ERD Industrial Repair Store, we have a team of skilled technicians and engineers that have developed the core hardware and software that allows ERD to completely test the CPC4 module after a repair. This flexible and creative design can be used successfully on a variety of ECU units. We received our first CPC4 module early in 2022, and we quickly discovered how critical this repair was for the trucking industry. In order for us to repair this module, ERD had to develop a full test interface. Once we were able to trace back the function to the specific component, a successful repair process was created. Upon completion, customers will receive a video showing their specific unit with the custom serial numbers and the software revision numbers. ERD has now completed the engineering phase of this repair and have moved on to the successful repair phase. We are so confident in this repair that we are offering our industry-leading 3-year warranty on these CPC4s. In addition to the repair service, ERD will return the programming on the module to the state in which we received it. If the programming is corrupt, we will install a revision, which will enable the user to take the module to their authorized dealer to have it initialized and reflashed. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.